Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change the watch band on a Garmin Vivoactive 4 smartwatch. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is my Garmin Vivoactive 4 smartwatch, okay? Now, it comes with a watch band, and you can choose to get a different sized watch band or a completely different style of watch band. It's actually really easy to remove the old one and replace it with the new one, and you don't even need any tools. That's the coolest thing. All that you need is your fingernail. It's really, really easy. So what you want to do is flip it over and look at the underside of the watch. I do apologize about the noise in the background. I had my dryer running and it just finished right now drying the clothes, so it stopped and it did this beeping sound to let me know that the drying cycle has finished. So just so you know, but the background noise should be gone now, which is a plus for the video. So why don't you give that video a thumbs up if you appreciate no more background noise in this video. Anyways, let's get into this. Looking at the underside of the watch, you can see the watch bands on either side, right? Now, with each watch band, you can see there's this little piece that's sticking out. It's a little metal piece that's sticking out, and it slides from side to side. So it's spring loaded to be pushing outwards, but you can push it inwards. And when you release it, the spring will push it back outwards. Okay. And I'll show you what it looks like in a moment up close. So you want to essentially take your fingernail and you want to slide it in towards the center, just like that. And then you can actually slide, once it's slid in towards the center, you can slide the watch band out like that, okay? So that's how you remove the old one, just like that. So I'll show you what this looks like over here, okay? I'm gonna hold this side like this. You can slide it in, just like that. And that little pin gets pulled inwards, which is essentially what locks it into place and allows it to be released, just like that, okay? So that's how you remove the old one. I'll leave that right there. Same thing with this side over here. Okay, you slide it in towards the center, that little lever, okay, and then you can remove the old watch band, just like that, okay? So what you're left with is your actual smartwatch, and then you can get your other sized watch band or a completely different watch band, right? And you can install it basically by doing the opposite. So I'll start with this side. You want to get the side that has the non-lever side. So this side right here is the non-lever side. And essentially you want to slide that into one of the little notches right there, one of the little holes right there. So I'm going to slide that into there, okay? And then I'm going to line this up. I'm going to slide the lever in towards the center once again. Let's line that up one more time. Slide the lever in towards the center once again, and then just pop it in place. So slide that lever in towards the center, okay? And then put it in place, release the lever, and then just kind of click it in place like that. Give it a little pull to make sure you're good to go. Okay, we're going to do the other side now. So go to the non-lever side, which is this side right over here. Put it inside of that little divot right there, I guess you'd call that, okay? Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to slide the lever in towards the center to bring that piece in like that, okay? Slide it into position and then release the lever and just kind of wiggle it until it pops into place like that. You want to carefully wiggle it because if you pull it out, then you have to do the whole process again. So pull on the straps to make sure that they're good to go. And yeah, that's it. That is essentially how to replace the watch band or watch straps on a Garmin Vivoactive 4 smartwatch. I've shown you how to do it in this super duper easy tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.